Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business social media flow using Smudge tool in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a square business post that feels static. I pause intentionally. Social business content needs rhythm. I duplicate the layer. I select the Smudge tool and start very gently. I drag colors around the edges to create flow toward the center. I stop often and review. Over-smudging kills credibility. I zoom in and smooth color clashes. I leave text zones clean. I zoom out and feel the motion guiding the eye. The post now feels scroll-stopping yet professional. I add final touches behind call-to-action areas. This subtle motion improves business engagement silently.